There may be certain contents in email that are very important, and if you want to remember them, then you might want to highlight them. So in order to highlight out contents of emails, what you can simply do is you can go around onto a certain content, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, inside of inbox, I got this email right here. So let's say I want to highlight the word test email in this particular email. In that case, you can simply select it, and as you select it, you can see that these tools appear. So here you can see that highlight is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then this particular email text is highlighted, as you can see right here. You can actually go around and delete it out as well and remove out the highlight. But as I select out this text and highlight it, what happens is that if I were to go to another email and come back, then this particular section of the email is still highlighted. You can still go around over here, and then let's say, for example, you want to highlight out the join online meeting, then you can simply go around and select this out right here, just like this, and you can highlight this out right here. So as you go around over here onto other emails, they are still highlighted, and you can remove it out wherever you like as well. And that is how you can highlight out important contents in your email, and even remove highlights as you like from Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.